If you use Endnote as your referencing software, it can be very frustrating if you don't see the ribbon or the tab in Microsoft Word. You can see that I am able to view Endnote 2025, the ribbon and the various options. But if you can't, I will show 4 ways you can get the ribbon to display again or display for the first time. The first thing is, and of course I can see the ribbon, but you won't be able to. Up in the ribbon, just alternate click anywhere in the ribbon. Click Customize the ribbon. On the right hand side of the screen you see, scroll down, and if you see it, just make sure the Endnote is checked. The Endnote ribbon is checked and click OK, and you should see the Endnote ribbon. You might need to restart Word. If that doesn't work, let's go on to solution number 2 to make the ribbon show. We can click File. Down the bottom, we click Options. Then under Add-ins, so we're going to click Add-ins. Where it says Manage, make sure that COM Add-ins is selected and click Go. If you see Endnote Cite While You Write there, just make sure it is checked and click OK. And again, you might need to restart Word. If that doesn't work, click File. Again, we're going to click Options, click Add-ins. Under Manage, change that to be Disabled Items and click Go. You'll be able to see Endnote if it's available for you to enable, and you can merely check it and click Enable. And again, you might need to restart. And the fourth method, if all those 3 methods don't work, go to your install folder of Endnote. Mine is on my C drive. I'm in Windows. On my C drive under Program Files, x86, under Endnote 2025. Yours might be slightly different. Find Configure Endnote and double click it. And now follow the prompts. So what would you like to do? Configure Endnote components, and we'll click Next. And make sure Cite While You Write Add in for Microsoft Office is checked. Click Next and follow the prompts. And that should have your ribbon in Word up and running in no time. Please like this video, and thanks for joining me.